So you didn't start out even thinking you were going to be a photographer.
I had no eye, no talent for anything. I didn't know how to use a camera, but it was interesting to me, so I kept trying it. I think that some people have the eye. Some people are really good at using their camera and the technical aspect, but they don't have the creative eye. I had neither one of those things. I didn't have the camera ability, nor did I have the creative eye. And really, that's where the practice came in, watching courses and signing up for Kelby training and trying to learn enough to make it at least one step better than I had been the time before when I went out shooting. I don't want it to beat me, really. I don't want to be intimidated to the point where I end up not doing something because just out of fear. Just the motivation to get to the end result, whatever the end result is, and not let the fear kind of push you out of the way and stop you from doing it.